Figma Crash Course. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to Figma.com. On the homepage, click Design, located at the top of the screen. Once inside the workspace, you'll find various tools along the bottom of the screen. The first is the Move tool, which allows you to move elements within your project. Next is the Frame tool, which lets you define canvas sizes for your design. You'll also see the Shape tool, which provides a drop-down with different shape options, like rectangles, circles, and more. For this example, let's use the rectangle. The Pen tool allows you to create custom paths or shapes. Then there's the Text tool, which lets you add and customize text. You can change the font type and text size here. Figma also offers a plugin tool where you can explore useful plugins to speed up your workflow. On the left side, you'll find your element layers. You can select a frame, adjust its color, or apply a gradient background. The right panel offers full control over elements like position, layout, appearance, and effects. To enhance consistency in spacing, you can also enable the layout grid with a simple click.